When I look out from our small mill village on the edge of the English Lake District, frankly, I feel connected with very little friction to a global marketplace.
The UK has generations of manufacturing expertise. We are world leaders in engineering and manufacturing and have been for hundreds of years.
I've been fortunate enough to travel the world with our products, and sitting there in front of a potential client and showing them what we've made right here in Manchester is a really proud moment.
My name's Barry Leahay. I'm president at Playdale Playgrounds. At Playdale, we design, manufacture and install outdoor children's playground equipment. We're based in beautiful Cumbria in the northwest of England, and we now export our products to over 50 countries around the world. It's actually a 9th generation family business, so you can say our quality, our experience, it's in the blood of the business. What's beautiful about the Playdale product, it's there to cater for the most important thing to anyone on this planet, their children. And we're here to create smiles for those children. Many people just see swings, slides and roundabouts, but behind that there is quite an awful lot of technology and advanced manufacturing, be it from the design of the playground equipment itself, and from that we then use the technology and the machinery to make it. We're very lucky in the UK, the universities are geared up to deliver those skills, but it has to be fun. And we're lucky we've got that supply of those creative individuals that allow us to continually innovate. The UK government was our primary partner as part of our global expansion. Where the UK government has helped us is very much around learning the cultures of the countries. And one tip that I always give fellow exporters is get boots on the ground and visit those countries, because then you learn the nuances of that country. We have over 40 distributors covering over 50 countries now around the world, and that relationship pushes us to constantly evolve and create great customer service, and importantly, deliver a play area that's not only safe but is fun for children. We're constantly on the lookout for what is over the horizon, how we can utilise our materials and our knowledge and our expertise here in the UK to deliver and keep pushing the boundaries of what children's playground equipment will look like in the future, and importantly, provide smiles.
My name's Zoe Brimlow, I'm the brand director at Duo UK. Duo are a packaging manufacturer based in Manchester, UK, which is a city with a rich heritage in manufacturing that still stays true to this day. We're a specialist in flexible polythene packaging products for e-commerce, retail and FMCG brands. So if you've ordered online, you may receive one of our products in the post. The UK is home to some of the biggest global brands, and we were fortunate to produce their UK packaging. But when they were moving to different parts of the world, with Europe and America, we also went with them because they loved the product here. They could trust us, they knew the standards were great. When we started our export journey, the UK government helped with understanding processes, procedures, even documentation. They're always at the end of the phone if we need advice and guidance. And it's given us the confidence to maybe take those steps forward more than we would have done, going it alone. We're actually working on a project at the moment to design and develop a new advanced material. And again, the UK government has given us access to expert research partners. The UK is well respected from an engineering, manufacturing perspective. Some of the feedback we've got is that it seemed as really at the forefront of innovation. So when we talk to international brands about we're a UK manufacturer, it is seen as a positive. The UK is really well connected to the world. Being a UK manufacturer and going to different international locations, we're really pushing on an open door.
My name is Mark Cropper. I'm the 6th generation chair of James Cropper, a advanced materials and paper and packaging business based on the edge of the Lake District. We are a really ancient business with a lot of kind of experience and know-how, but my number one ambition is actually for us to always feel young. We actually do everything here, from making paper by hand right through to making some of the world's most advanced, lightweight carbon fibre materials. The UK creative industries are really incredibly well known around the world. What is less known is that there is still an amazing kind of base of UK advanced industry. Everything we do here has its roots in very traditional paper making. But what we've done is we've adapted that, over the decades into materials that in fact my ancestors could never have dreamt of. This is a sheet of our carbon fibre material. Versions of this can dissipate a lightning strike in an aeroplane or a wind turbine blade. It can do a remarkable number of different things. Despite being in a rural location, we are deeply connected, not only with our customers, but all the other logistics, export supply chains, and everything else that actually makes that possible. Any network that can help you find people you don't know and don't know you is hugely beneficial. We have just launched a new product line, one of the very first industrialised uses of recycled carbon fibre. We will be working with the government to help us take it to the world. Another way that we've helped each other is that we created the world's first coffee cup recycling plant, and that's now recycled something like 5.5 billion coffee cups. Those coffee cups are actually providing us with useful fibre that we turn into beautiful coloured papers. We've also invented an advanced form of moulded pulp, and that's going into champagne packaging. So those kind of innovations have not only ensured that we're relevant, but also that we have customer interest and demand from all over the world. Obviously, a business is dependent upon, its products and its processing, but for me, what's far more important is the intellectual capital, our people. And the fact that actually we can do amazing things here is really because we've got an incredible workforce that has been extraordinarily well educated. What really motivates me as chair of James Cropper and hoping to sustain the business for another generation is actually about making things that actually do some good in the world. We now make materials that really make a difference in key industries that are actually going to decarbonise our planet and help us live more sustainably. And if we can do some good and have a good business out of it, that's for me is a job well done.
UK manufacturing's got a great reputation around the world. It's definitely something that we've experienced when we're meeting with clients and partners.
I think we've got very good relationships around the world, not just as a business, but as a nation.
Come to the UK, see it in action, see our factories, see the advanced manufacturing that's going on. The technology is amazing and it has to be seen to be believed.